Grab your scissors, your glue stick tight, folding and shaping till it feels right. From paper flowers to glittering skies, crafting videos bring sparks to your eyes.